Good afternoon. This is Gary Pace. I'm the Public Health Officer of Lake County. It's Thursday, April 9th. I'm wearing my face mask now, but since there's nobody else around, I can go ahead and take it off. So today is the coronavirus update for today, and Priscilla Morales, my colleague, is going to be doing the Spanish version on a different Facebook post. So in the United States, there's 423,000 cases now. There's 14,000 deaths. In California, there's 19,000 known cases with 500 deaths. But the thing we're seeing now is that the rise in cases and deaths and hospitalizations in California is much lower than they were expecting. And this is because of all the shelter in place and the staying at home activities that people have been doing. So in Sonoma County, there's 136 cases. We now have 3 cases in Lake County. So people are asking a lot about the cases, and the 3 people that have been identified in Lake County were doing a good job of trying to not mix out in public, and one of them was wearing masks at work that started after she caught the infection. So we think that the spread has been fairly minimal, although we are doing what good public health nurses do, which is they're going out and they're checking for contacts and they're helping the people isolate at home. All 3 of the patients have been very cooperative and they're doing well at this point at home. People are wanting to know information about who they are or where they live. We really can't give that in protection of patient privacy, and I'm sure any of you that have a sickness don't necessarily want it spread all over the Facebook or over the newspaper. So we're sticking with that. We are encouraging everybody to continue with the usual precautions because it really doesn't change anything. If you knew it was in one certain area but it hadn't been found yet in another area, it really doesn't allow you to let down your guard. You really need to be continuing to stay at home, only do essential activities. We're really encouraging the wearing of face masks when you're out in public because that helps slow down the spread of it. It doesn't necessarily protect you from getting it if you're around it, but it does slow down the spread if somebody's sick or if somebody's starting to get the symptoms but they're not aware that they're sick yet. It seems to slow the spread down. So we just want to emphasize the importance of staying at home and following these precautions. We know this is a very difficult time for everybody and the economic hardships are big. We're having some conversations now about the end point, when it may be loosened up, but I think it's going to be a while. And I think the more people can stay at home, follow these rules, the better things are going to be all around and the quicker we'll be able to get back to normal. So we'll be doing these Facebook videos a couple times a week to update people. We really appreciate your cooperation and your paying attention. Thank you.